Okay, guys, well, this is the Alternatively here. And, look, okay, this is not how I actually act in real life, but I'm going to show you something. You know how sometimes you want to make funny noises in school, or outside of it, you know, like at home and stuff? Just do something hilarious, something that's immature. Well, here's the thing. Do this. Now, here's the thing. All you have to do, you know, like, let's say you want to make a farting noise. You know, just to make people mad, just to troll them. Yeah. So anyway, so try to imagine that. Now here's what you could do. You could, well, why am I saying you could? Okay. Here's what you do. You just take your hands and put them right here. Now this is pretty difficult because some people can't really do it. But, well, actually no. First of all, let me tell you how it's done. Like, without the hands, go. But in order for you to do this, all you have to do is just blow into your hands, and it does sound realistic, which does troll people, and it makes it funny and disgusting and retarded and everything. So here we go. Here's how you do this. And just like that. And also, now this one's juicy. Sounds like gunshots, right? Yeah. It's funny, but, you know, now that's something you can be able to do to troll and everything.
Hi.
And, Madison, what are you doing? I'm not even kidding, my sister's here.
Hi.
This video is a dedication to Mr. Jojo Smith.
And voting.
Anyway, that's all I have.